Hi friends, welcome. Today we have to find out value of sine 18 degree, cos 18 degree, sine 72 degree and cos 72 degree. Okay, so let's start. Let theta is equal to 18 degree. Fine. So 5 theta will be equal to 5 into 18 is equal to 90 degree. 5. If we break 5 theta as 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90 degree, right? So 2 theta will be equal to 90 minus 3 theta. So sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90 minus 3 theta, right? So sine 2 theta is equal to sine 3 theta, right? Because sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, right? Is equal to cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, right? Because cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Fine. Now 2 sin theta cos theta, right? If we rearrange the equation, so minus 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 0, right? If we take cos theta as common, right? So 2 sin theta minus here 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Now we have two case first as this 2 sin theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equal to 0, right? And this cos theta is equal to 0, right? Now we will go with this. So 2 sin theta minus 4, right? So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Now 2 sin theta minus 4 into 1 4 and this into this 4 sin square theta plus 3 is equal to 0, right? If we rearrange the equation, 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta this and this minus 1 is equal to 0, 2, right? Let sin theta is equal to x, fine? So this 4x square plus 2x -1 is equal to 0, right? Now we have quadratic form of the equation. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, right? So x is equal to minus b, so minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square minus 4ac, 4 into a, 4 into c minus 1, this, right, over 2a, 2 into 4, fine. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 16 over 8, right? So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus, this value will be square root of 5 over 4, right? So x, as we have assumed, is equal to theta, right? So sine, as we have assumed, x is equal to sine theta, right? So sine theta is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 4. So sin theta is equal to plus minus square root of 5 minus 1 over 4, right? So as theta is equal to 18 degree, right? So we can write here 18 degree, right? Is equal to, here for sin theta we will take plus sin 5 minus square root of 5 minus 1 over 4, right? Because sin theta is positive, right? So sin 18 degree is equal to this. Now we have to find out value of cos 18 degree, right? As we know, sin square 18 degree plus cos square 18 degree is equal to 1, fine. So cos square 18 degree is equal to 1 minus sin square 18 degree, right? So cos 18 degree will be equal to square root of 1 minus sin square 18 degree, right? So cos 18 degree is equal to square root of 1 minus sin 18 degree is this, right? Square root of 5 minus 1 over 4 whole square, right? So this is square root of, here 1 minus, if we expand this we get 5 plus 1 minus 2 square root of 5 over 16, right? So as cos 18 degree, right? So square root of 16 as LCM, so 16 minus, if we open the bracket, minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 square root of 5, right? So cos 18 degree is equal to square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 5 over square root of 16 is 4. Right? So cos 18 degree will be this, and sin 18 degree is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 over 4. Okay friends, thank you. Now we have sin 18 degree is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 over 4, right? And cos 18 degree is equal to this. So sin 72 degree will be equal to sin 90 degree minus 18 degree. Okay, so this value will be equal to cos 18 degree, right? But cos 18 is this, so sin 72 degree will be equal to this, right? So square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 5 over 4. So sin 72 is this. Now cos 72 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 18, right? So cos 72 degree is equal to sin 18 degree, right? So sin 18 is equal to this, square root of 5 minus 1 over 4, right? So cos 72 degree is equal to this. Okay friends, thank you.